Hello friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will cover a second part of how to create online courses and earn money with it. So the global e-learning market is projected to reach almost like $400 billion by 2026. If you excel in a particular subject and enjoy curating learning material, then it's an excellent time to start selling online courses. The digital courses come in different formats, from simple PDF downloads to videos. Popular online course topics include like computer skills, health and wellness, business and entrepreneurship, finance and investing, and personal development as well. So there are like two main ways to make money online by selling digital courses: by joining an e-learning platform or creating an e-learning website. So the former is like easier to do, but the latter provides more opportunities to experiment with different formats and monetization methods. You can create an e-learning website with like WordPress or LMS plugin also. Then sell courses as a digital products or create a membership system to lock them behind a paywall. So if you want to try out a few e-learning platforms, then before creating an e-learning site, consider the following: the Udemy. Udemy provides courses, quizzes, coding exercises, and discussion forums on various topics. Skillshare is there. Skillshare excellent for selling courses on digital art and creative skills. Then there is a Teachable. Teachable creates an unlimited courses using any of its paid plans. So creators can also apply to have their courses and live events featured on Spotlight, an e-learning marketplace powered by like Teachable and Walmart. Then there is a Podia. Podia is a platform that is selling online courses, digital downloads, and membership subscriptions. Users can create standalone or drip courses also. They can also group similar courses and market them as a bundle. Then there is a Pathright, a design, teaching, and kind of website which is tutoring the students since very long time. So guys, there are lots of opportunities in the creating courses online and earning money from them if you are very subjective to something. So guys, go ahead and start your journey online today. Thank you.